All right. Here's put it back together there. So we're gonna start with this the right side headlights. Fresh out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new bulbs in. Got some new set of bulbs for this. I'm gonna go ahead and install them. These are HID LED headlights bulbs that I got for it. They can shine nicely at night time. All right, I got all the bulbs in. So we're going to, before we do anything, I like to plug things in and test them. I'm going to test all the lights. Make sure all the bulbs work.
Of doing it every day as a practice session of people. Here's where part of the fortune lies.
Okay.
The use of language.
You know what?
Magic in good communication.
Now, this particular light has a washer.
Can be life-changing.
The washer fluid under here. So I'm going to connect that. It's not a headlight washer. I mean, it's a headlight washer. It pops up and sprays the headlight with some water. So I'm going to connect it at the bottom.
To find ways to give words to that so that it can be understood.
I might have to disconnect it to do that. So I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna come back to the video. We're gonna move. Bottom cap.
Starts with this laborious task of gathering knowledge. Knowledge that you deliberately gather. This in itself. It'll make me real to my audience. What'll make me real to the child? Identification is building a bridge. If you're meeting somebody for the first time, it's simply getting acquainted. Building a bridge, making contact. Here's one of the clues. Find something you haven't liked, getting lost. So identification is finding something in common. I now wish to teach you how to become fishermen. Now see, they understand inside some little catchy phrases become comfortable, but outside they become strange. About space? What's a space? Now I found out later she'd been to the space seminars. And she learned that you gotta be careful. You talk space to a lot of people and they go back like this. Variety of awareness. To learn how to choose the right word as I let it slide.
There you go. Ta-da!
Now see if we all...
No cheese. Is that the chick or she tease you? Get the paper, pass the bills up. All I do is hit the billboard. This verse so cynical. All I do is to do conco. Whatever it takes to be boss. I still gotta pay for the cost. Giving your money, no be false. Curry, baby, not the punk. Your baby girl feeling on my trunk. I see you, press over the talk. I've been grinding, good luck. But right now I'm coming for the bar, Payday man, I just be balling with all of the veterans. Payday man, be through the jungle, he deserve a settlement. Payday man, I just be puffing and drinking my lemonade. Payday man, I just be balling with all of the veterans. See when you ain't putting on the work, pocket feeling good to talk. Fine girl from Georgia, check on for me, Udoka. Every time I speak,